Hey everyone, this is day 3 or day 2. Actually, it's probably day 3. Higher, 5,200 BTU. Alright, we're gonna start it up. But we're gonna look at the data first. Model HWF05XC7, 5,200 BTUs, 9.7 sears, 150 volts, single phase, 535 watts, 4.8 amps, 380 PSIG, low side up 117 PSIG, and 10.6 of R22. Made in China. I don't know when it was manufactured. It has to be by LG or something. Alright. You have the back. And so I know it's all ruined. I know it's ruined, so you can see the compressor in there. It's a Retchi precision rotary. All these hires have them, and Maytags. Alright, we're gonna start on fan first. Get my temp gun with me. I put like new piece of tape on. Here's the coil. It's actually kind of pretty clean. Well, I might need to clean it up a little bit. Or the one I need to clean up more is the GE 5150. But anyway, we start on fan. 3, 2, 1. That's what we're getting in fan. 64, 63. 65. At the coil. 67. We're not even getting hot yet. Alright. Alright, we're gonna Retchi precision rotary in 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so it works pretty fine. Yeah, that compressor sounds angry. It's gonna start building up. That laser, we got 65, 66. Oh my god. That is angry. What about the compressor? Yeah, it's gotta be hotter. Wait, it's not even hot back here. Maybe get in the front. 60's fine. Wow, the coils are starting to get cold, so it may be low on charge, or it's how it's supposed to be. Hi, so what we got? $60. We're not getting cold yet. It's gotta run for a little. Wow, not even cold. See what we're getting in the back. 71, we're starting to get hot a little bit. Worst case scenario is, whenever I keep it on, doesn't want to get cool. So this may not be my garage EC. Put it on high. It'll blow much air, and it'll go down more quicker. Here we are. Okay, we're getting cold. I mean, the coils are starting to get cold. Okay. Switch hands. Not cold yet. Alright, we're getting there. Put it back on low. I think it lost its charge or something, so that's why. But I got this one off of Facebook Marketplace. Alright, we're getting down, we're getting. I don't feel like that much air or something. Come on, will ya? $52, $51, $50. Alright, we're getting down there. So we're getting on the coils. We got 20. Wow, we got 20 degrees, 35, 21. Wow. Still works. This takes a while to get cooling down when it doesn't run for a long time. $49, $48, $46. Oh, we got 50 because there's not that much air coming out of there. Put it back on high, see what we get. Oh god, it's freezing. So when I'm telling myself it's actually freezing. Put it on low. Wow. It's working pretty fine. Let me see if we've done. We put it on high, but we're gonna check out the back too. We got 78, 76, 78, not even 79. Okay, 79, 80, 81. Without the laser, we got 82. We got without the laser, 47, 46, 44. Wow. With the laser, 45. What about the compressor? I think it's 78 degrees or something. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, don't tell me it has that same fan motor problem. Wow, it does? I don't know what's causing that motor to shake like that. Or is it the fan blade? But I've not expected that. That is so... Hold on. And then it goes away. I think it's the fan motor that's doing that or something, or the fan blade. Alright, we're gonna start it back up. I had to warm it out first. Because the fan motor, when I turned on the compressor, the fan motor sounded like that. So yeah, I think I might need a new fan blade or something. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with this. I just got this thing. Let me put it on high. Okay, we're getting cold quick. Put it on low. Wow, 45. We don't have any free ice coming up. Typical frigid air. 33, 32. We got, okay, we got the laser. Okay, we put it on high. Oh my god, that is freezing. I'm putting that way. $35, we got 38 coming out. I don't understand what's getting that fan motor to sound like that. The laser, we got 36 coming out. We got, wow, it's freezing ice. We got that coil. We got 56, 50, ooh, that's cold. Alright, shut it off. What is that fan motor sound? I don't know. I mean, I just got this thing, and I don't know why it's probably making a problem or something. Then it goes away. We're pushing out 50 on fan. I gotta let the air out on high. Okay. We're gonna put it that way though. I think it needs a new fan blade or a fan motor. Yeah, I might get a blade for it, like a fan blade. Alright, we're getting out. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video.